पावसाळी अधिवेशन, लोकसभा, राज्यसभा वेंचणूक पक्षाची रणनीती थारोवपा खातीर काँग्रेस प्रभारी खासदार मणिकांत टागोर हांच्या हाजेरीत पक्षाच्या वरिष्ठ फुडाऱ्यांची पणजे बसका जाली. ह्या वेळार प्रदेशाध्यक्ष अमित पाटकर, विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी युरी आलेमाव, खासदार फ्रांसीस सारदा, आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरा, एल्टन डिकोस्टा, बिना नायक आनी हेर हाजीर आशिल्ले. भाजप पक्ष ईडी आनी सीबीआयचो आपल्या फायद्या खातीर गैरवापर करता असो खर आरोप काँग्रेस प्रभारी खासदार मणिकांत टागोरान केला.
Today we had a political affairs committee meeting of Goa Congress, and we had discussed about the future part of it, and there are elections about the Lok Sabha elections, about the future plan of Congress party also has been discussed. Political developments in Goa has been discussed. And nationally also there are very important political developments has taken place after the partner opposition like-minded parties meet, particularly Mr. Modi and Amit Shah's politics of misusing ED, CBI and Adani in Adani's money to destabilize governments continues. Maharashtra is the latest victim. Maharashtra, they are able to do that same pattern which they had done it in other states. For Congress party, we are all want the united opposition national level, and in Goa also, Goa CLP leader has been working with the like-minded parties in the house, and our PCC president and other senior leaders, MP Sahab, all has been working with that kind of. We have discussed politically how that national opposition parties meet is developing. All the three MLAs are together, and we discussed about the upcoming assembly elections, and they had listed out issues of more importance, and they are going to take up all other they had asked from the Congress leaders, other constituency leaders where Congress MLAs are not there, or those traitors who left Congress, that Congress constituencies issues has been listed out by the MLAs, and honorable MLAs are going to raise those constituency issues of where the issue of Goan people's interest is there, and our MLAs are united, and they will be raising those issues which is related to Goa.